Hey, it's Kimmy the Gadget Goddess, and today I have a tempered glass screen protector that's supposed to work with the Pixel 6. I have borrowed my son's Pixel 6, which he seems to use very frequently, so I'm gonna get it back to him as soon as possible so I could install this tempered glass screen protector and see if it works as well as people say it does. There are many tempered glass screen protectors on the market. Most of them have bad reviews, say they do not work with your fingerprint scanner. My son is on the latest software upgrade from Google, and we're gonna see if it works. So let's get started. As most of you know, my last couple of installation packages did not have everything I needed. This one includes tempered glass screen protector, microfiber cloth, which is a lint-free cloth, dust removing sticker, cleaning wipes, and installation guide. I think that's all we need for these. If we were doing film, we would need a squeegee. But glass, once it's on, it's on. It's not that you can come back and fix it. I am getting into this box so we can get this glass on here and see if it works. Well, I think we just push this through. All right, we have another box. In here, we have two of everything they described. Instructions. We have a guide. So this should be pretty simple. Anytime they include the guide, it's pretty simple. Let's put this over to the side. Now that we have everything a bit more organized, we're going to get started. I wanted to tell you, I've been pretty satisfied with the film protector that we installed. Once you get it on there, it's not like you can really tell it's even there. Shout out to IQ Shields. I'll link that here if you're more interested in film than tempered glass. I'm going to leave the one on the back because this tempered glass is just for the inside. If you are interested in an NFL SkinIT case, my son seems to love his, I will link you to that in the description as well. Time for us to get started. I took the liberty of programming my own fingerprint in here so we can actually test this out. When we're done, I will put another fingerprint in after we do the installation. This is when you want to apply your guide. You would think you would lay it inside the guide. The guide goes on top. And being that our guide has a little bit of lint on it, I'm going to give it another wipe down. But they said now this is when you would come through and use your lint removers. So they wanted you to use your lint remover as soon as you put it in there. I wiped it down one more good time. Now I'm going to use my lint removers. I'm sure tons of you are like, why don't you just do this from his home screen? My son's part-time comedian in his mind, so his wallpaper is just really weird. So I'm not going to show you his wallpaper. I am going to install it from an advertisement. Again, this should be plenty simple. I'm going to line it up sideways because I'm doing it from behind a camera, which is a bit tougher than if you're not doing it from behind a camera. Line it up directly at the top. Guide should guide it into the right place. Sorry, I didn't turn my son's alerts off. And when you're ready, you push down. You literally have to push it beyond the thing. Let it know you're in the place that you would like it to be. So now I'm going to pull it off. I am going to try it without putting a new fingerprint in first, just to see if it works. First, can we just admire how perfect that installation is with the guide? Second, it unlocked. First try. I did not reprogram my fingerprint. I put my fingerprint in right before I installed the screen protector because it's my son's phone. It doesn't really need my fingerprint. I'll leave it in there anyway. You can see that there is a slight border around this phone. So this screen protector is going to be case friendly. I'm going to slide this right in there. Clicks right in. Of course, I said before, this is his SkinIT protector for his Green Bay Packers. He's a Packer fan. I'm a Panther fan. And everything looks fine. I do like the SkinIT case. They do give you some lip around it to where it stands up off the table. This has been the tempered glass screen protector installation from AACL. I've never used them before. Didn't know if this was going to work. People said it did, but you know, sometimes you read reviews and they're not legit. Fingerprint works just fine. I feel better protected on my son's phone. This is my Google Pixel 6 Pro. This is his Google Pixel 6. This is Gadget Goddess, and I appreciate you coming by and checking out my video. Please check out other videos. I have Pixel accessories, I have fold accessories, I have flip accessories. I have various import videos, and yeah, you can find it all here. Oh yeah, we end these videos like this. Holla!